next week. All right, Jay, back to you.
Thanks, Greg. Whether it's a check engine light, a chipped windshield, a fender bender, or a quick oil change, Caliber is there to help you safely back on the road. Caliber Auto Care is committed to restoring the rhythm of your life and helping you return to what matters most. But Caliber is expanding its care for North Texas with a food drive to combat childhood hunger. Paige is live at Caliber Collision Castle Hills in Louisville to witness the kickoff to Caliber's 12th annual Restoring You food drive. Good morning, Paige.
Hey, good morning to you and good morning, Texas. You know, with so many locations here in North Texas, it's really exciting to know that the Caliber family of operations, family of stores, they're doing a lot to really help the community. And that help extends beyond the repairs that you might have with your car. I'm excited to introduce you to Samantha Henderson to tell us more. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
Let's talk a little bit about this food drive. You've got your box here where you're starting to collect some of the canned goods. Tell me what it's all about.
Absolutely. So over 22 million children rely on free or subsidized meals throughout the school year. So during the summer months when school is out, these children end up not having access to meals and go hungry. So this is why the Caliber family of brands, which includes Caliber Collision, Caliber Auto Care, and Caliber Auto Glass, just kicked off our 12th annual Restoring You food drive to help fight childhood food insecurity.
I think that the timing is such great timing because you're right. School is starting to wind down. May is around the corner, and that's when you find a lot more children who don't have access to the schools, to the food within their school systems that they're needing this. So the fact that you are kicking it off at this time is so important to the overall health of our North Texas kids.
Absolutely.
So how does it work? How can people get involved in this?
Yeah, we really want to encourage our customers to join us in supporting us to raise over 4 million meals this year. So, there are several
4 million
meals.
Yes,
4 million. And so there are several ways to get involved. We're asking for, non-perishable goods or monetary donations at any one of our 79 Caliber Collision or Caliber Auto Care locations in North Texas. They can also make an online donation at caliberdonations.com. And even better, our Caliber Foundation, which is our nonprofit organization, will match 25 cents for every dollar that's donated. So $5 equals 30 meals.
Well, and the fact that you have the opportunity to have such a broad outreach because of the mere number of different Caliber operations that you have in North Texas alone. Over 75, isn't that correct?
Yes.
So having that big operation behind that to do something that really is in the overall, it's from an overall perspective is really helping infuse the community to be healthier. Makes a big difference. And also, let's not forget, you also are doing a lot to keep us safer on the roads as well.
Yes, we are.
And tell us a little bit about Caliber Collision or Caliber family of brands and how they do help you keep safe on the road.
Yes, so Caliber Collision does collision repair, and then we also have Caliber Auto Care, which supports all of automotive maintenance and repairs such as oil changes, state inspections, tires, and then we have Caliber Auto Glass, which is a mobile glass service. So we're really here to take care of all of your automotive needs.
It's pretty comprehensive, but you also work with different food banks as well. You work with food banks nationwide, but are you also partnering with local food banks for this initiative?
Absolutely. So since 2011, Caliber has actually donated over 24 million meals to food banks across the country in the communities that we serve. And so this year, we're actually partnering with 130 food banks, including North Texas Food Bank, which is right here locally, to reach our donation goal of 4 million meals. And in the last 9 years alone, just in this community, we've donated about 1.5 million meals to North Texas Food Bank.
That is fantastic. Yeah. Those numbers are just astounding. But behind those numbers, we can sometimes really get kind of blurred with that. They really are individuals standing behind that. Any other additional information you want to share real quick?
Yes, we just, wanted to thank all of our teammates and our customers and partners for being involved and supporting us. We couldn't do it without them. And if they want to learn more about our food drive, visit caliber.com.
All right. I'm going to give them some more information as well. Thank you, Samantha. Yeah. We appreciate all that you're doing. Caliber's 12th annual Restoring You food drive is now through May 26th. You can find out so much more, including locations near you at caliber.com. You can also make an online donation at caliberdonations.com. Thank you again. We appreciate it. All right, Jane, back to you.
Thanks, Paige. April, as we know, brings showers for May flowers, but it's also the time where we see outdoor work increase. That often includes